Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Kembali berjumpa dengan kami, saya IWAN LEO PATRA dan rekan kami
Bibi Cacam.
Kembali kami akan meluncurkan sebuah video yang sudah dinanti-nantikan oleh para fans di YouTube IWAN LEO PATRA. Dan jangan lupa selalu dukung channel kami dengan cara
subscribe, like, komen, dan share.
Ya, terima kasih. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Selamat menyaksikan. Ya aku nak buat ya.
Harap minggu. Weng, sini Weng.
Oh, rupanya kamu baru sini ya, guys.
Awet nanti gawi. Ben baru dia ben ayo.
Dan 17-an itu dia lah cara dia. Aman di sini kan jangan teman.
Ayo. Jauh lah. Tanya jantan saja macam itu. Di sini Kira-kira mau kita berang. Jam berapa? Sama kamu
Berangkat. Jadi
aku itu kan anakku udah negara ya. Kamu boleh negara ya. Pokoknya kamu siap-siap bawa latihan motor. Terserah mau bawa lagi.
20 laps. Confirmation there, Marc Marquez in third place, Andre Iannone in fourth. Then Jarvis, the boss of Yamaha Racing. One ear he's thinking of Rossi, the other ear he's probably thinking of Jorge Lorenzo. There's been a lot of goings on off the track this weekend. There's been a lot of pretty nasty stuff said. That is now forgotten, or is it forgotten? Because
we're about to find out.
We are. This is the showdown. It's the penultimate round. It's 20 laps of the Sepang circuit. Will Valentino Rossi, at 36 years old, be crowned the 2015 MotoGP World Champion?
Marc Marquez got away well from the middle of the front row of the grid. So did Valentino Rossi. Dani Pedrosa moves to the middle of the track on that run down to the first corner. Jorge Lorenzo's been swamped by the two factory Ducatis. Disastrous start for Lorenzo. It's Dovizioso that tries to sweep around the outside of Rossi. It's the two Hondas led by Dani Pedrosa that lead this race. Dovizioso, Lorenzo getting squeezed by the two Ducatis. What a nightmare for the Spaniard.
Lorenzo trying to fight his way through the pack. The two Hondas lead the way, but Rossi in third place. Turn 3, up towards turn 4 they come. Pedrosa leads Marquez. Here comes Lorenzo up the inside on the brakes. What a move by Lorenzo.
Lorenzo up the...
Mana Mak Chester balik-balik ni. Uji nak bawa negal tadi ni. Kelas haranya bun. Balik-balik dia ni. Ai. Mana lah Mak Chester. Alahnya pun anak nangis balik-balik. Ai. Mana anak nangis terus ni. Mana nak Mak Chester balik-balik ni. Mana ada pikiran balik anak nangis terus macam ni. Aku picit kan anak kau. Bagal ni dia. Ini yang ni. Dari mana pula? Boleh balik-balik ni anak nangis saja ni no.
Sayang dek. Ini dulu ya. Cita jangan nunggu gala. Ya, mau pergi mulai ha?
In the sighting lap, and that's a good start as it up towards turn 4. Dylan, track conditions.
Look, it's going to be fine. It is. Marc Marquez got away well from the middle of the front of the bit. So did Valentino Rossi. Dani Pedrosa moves to the middle of the track on that run down to the first corner. Jorge Lorenzo's been swamped by the two factory Ducatis. Disastrous start for Lorenzo. It's Dovizioso that tries.
Rossi down the back.
Honda's led by Dani Pedrosa that lead this race. Dovizioso, Lorenzo getting squeezed by the two Ducatis. What a nightmare for the Spaniard.
Lorenzo trying to fight his way through the pack. Here comes Lorenzo up the inside on the brakes. What a move by Lorenzo.
Lorenzo up the inside of both the factory Ducatis at turn number 4. Brilliant from the number 99. That was reminiscent of Andrea Iannone last weekend at Phillip Island when he swept under Marc Marquez and Valentino Rossi. It's Dani Pedrosa that leads this Malaysian Grand Prix from Marquez, from Rossi. Lorenzo having to fight really hard to make a break away from Dovizioso.
Crucial first lap of the race. Through 7 and 8 they come. Up now towards turn 9. Favourite overtaking place at this circuit. Even Rossi, I don't think, will attempt it this time around. The Ducatis of Iannone in particular try to fight back against Lorenzo.
Up through turn 11. Opening lap of this Malaysian Grand Prix. It's Dani Pedrosa chasing a 7th Premier Class podium here in the Far East. There is Valentino Rossi. Lorenzo, has he finally broken that determined early charge of the Ducati GP15s of Andrea Dovizioso and Andrea Iannone. There's Pol Espargaro in 7th place. Good start to this race for Pol Espargaro. He's gained 5 places on the opening lap.
Rossi closing up on Marc Marquez. Remember the war of words on Thursday evening from Rossi. Down the back straight, well over 200 miles an hour, down through the gearbox into turn 15.
We're about to complete the first lap then. It is Pedrosa from Marquez, then it's Valentino Rossi. Jorge Lorenzo has clawed right up onto the back wheel of Valentino Rossi. This is going to be the first big shootout between the two factory Yamaha riders, and Lorenzo makes his move up the inside the first corner. Caught Rossi napping in the braking zone for turn number 1. Rossi tries to fight back, they almost touch through the first corner. Lorenzo up into 3rd.
Oh, Lorenzo has been mighty aggressive on the first lap, even more aggressive up at turn 1. They almost touched, but Lorenzo now up into 3rd place. Honda's at the front, Lorenzo 3rd. Rossi, Iannone, great start as you say from Pol Espargaro. Despite that injured neck, that would not be enough. 8 points. We'd be on our way to Valencia. We saw it in Moto 3. You blink and it changes at the top of the championship table.
Brilliant move by Lorenzo on the brakes down into that first corner to take 3rd place away from Valentino Rossi. The live World Championship standing.